On 7 Up Front tonight, the governor of the state of Michigan, Gretchen Whitmer. Governor, it's good to have you with us this evening. Thank you for making the time.
Thank you. Glad to be with you.
Let's start with COVID and the OMICRON variant. As of today, Michigan has 4 confirmed cases, the latest in Washtenaw County. Now, data suggests Omicron is more contagious than the Delta variant. Should we be bracing for more spread?
I think we have to take every precaution, right? We know that our doctors and nurses and respiratory therapists have been breaking their backs to take care of people in this state, and they are exhausted, and yet we are seeing our hospitals filling up with unvaccinated Michiganders who are getting COVID. And that's why I just want to remind and encourage people, get vaccinated if you're not yet. And if you are and are eligible and have not yet gotten your booster, please do. That is the best way to stay safe as we see Omicron spreading across the country.
And while our COVID cases overall are down slightly this week, those hospital numbers that you mentioned are beyond concerning, among the highest in the nation. Is what's happening in our hospital systems, to the point where you are concerned, especially if this surge intensifies over the holidays and beyond?
I am concerned, and for a number of fronts. Number one, our workforce in our hospitals, they are exhausted, and they show up every day and they take care of us. We can support them by getting vaccinated and staying out of the hospital. If you do find out that you've got COVID, to explore monoclonal antibodies so that you can stay out of the hospital. I'm very happy that we're seeing Pfizer have a pill that's been created that perhaps will help keep people out of the hospital. But let's be very clear. The more unvaccinated people who are getting COVID and landing in the hospital threatens all of us, because if you're in a car accident, you want to know that the people at the hospital can care for you and there's going to be a bed for you. And right now, that's just not the case. And so with cold temperatures, we're seeing this happen all across the Midwest. We've got to all do our part. And we have vaccines. They are free, they are easy to access, and they work.
Are there additional steps that can be taken beyond what has already been done, the efforts to this point to support our hospitals and, importantly, our frontline workers during this stressful time?
I'm grateful to the Biden administration. We have been getting some Department of Defense resources to support hospitals in Michigan. We need more. But of course, they're getting calls from many states, because we know those of us in colder climates are seeing our numbers increase, whether it's Minnesota or it's Maine or Michigan. We are all seeing a lot of the same trends, and it's a dire situation for our hospital workers. And that's why we'll continue to get help from the Biden administration. But if Michiganders can step up and do their part, that's the best way to support our doctors and our nurses and our respiratory therapists and everyone who's been working so hard to keep people safe.
And more than 6 million Michiganders have now received at least one dose of the vaccine. That's 56% of Michiganders fully vaccinated. That's below the national average, though. You've urged for months people to get vaccinated. Many businesses are mandating it of their employees to keep their jobs, yet the numbers are what they are. How disappointed are you over this hesitancy and, in many cases, outright refusal to take the vaccine?
Well, when it's unvaccinated people that are filling up our hospitals, it just shows that this vaccine works. It can save your life, and to see that perhaps 100 people die in a day, that could be any one of us. But not if you're vaccinated and boosted. We've got the tools to stay safe. We need to use them. So when we have 16-year-olds and up, 70% of our population fully vaccinated, that's great. But there's still a big chunk of our population who hasn't yet. And for parents out there whose kids are eligible to get vaccinated now but still have questions, please talk to your pediatrician, get your questions answered by a trusted medical professional, and let's get our kids vaccinated too. No one knows what the long haul symptoms and how tough it can be for our kids, but we do know that these vaccines work.
Governor, in regards to the tragic school shooting in Oxford, what additional steps do you think are necessary in terms of support, safety, and security in our schools? And can you reach consensus with the legislature to get something done in that regard?
I want to start with this. The last 2 weeks have, without question, been the toughest since I've taken office, because consoling and showing up and supporting families in a community and that is hurting so badly from this horrific horrific scene that played out in Oxford 3 weeks ago. It's just, it's so sad. It is every parent's worst nightmare. I think we, as in this country, have got a unique problem. It's a uniquely American problem where schools are not safe places because of mass shootings. The fact of the matter is, we owe it to our kids and everyone in our schools to do better. And so I haven't prejudged what the solutions are. I think they're multifaceted, but I can tell you there's a willingness on the legislature's part to move policy that'll help keep firearms secured safely, help take more steps to support our schools to keep kids safe. I'm eager to have that conversation, and I'll be a willing partner, and I'm hoping the legislature will as well.
Would that include that safe gun storage bill that's been proposed? And is that something that you feel there could be some consensus on potentially?
You know, I know many gun owners, of course, Michigan, we've got a lot of gun owners. I know many would support something like that. The question is, will the legislature? And that's why I'll be having conversations with legislative leadership to see what is doable. I'm not interested in everyone going to their political corners and digging in. I'm interested in solving problems, and that's the spirit with which I'll go to the table. But as a parent with kids who went through our public schools and graduated just last year, I can tell you, this is on the front and center for every parent in our state. This is on the front and center mind of every educator, everyone who works in schools. We owe it to our kids and to our families and our communities to get this right. And I think we need to show some progress here in Michigan.
We're just a couple of weeks away from a new year. 2022 is an election year, of course. You'll have to earn another term from voters. What are your priorities in the next 12 months to do that?
Well, first, let's just say 2021 has been another tough year, but we have found common ground on a lot of really important ways. $17 billion education budget without raising taxes. Child care for 105,000 more Michigan kids. 4-year-olds all have access to early kindergarten now. We've made really important strides. This economic development package that we just got done this week with the business community, Republicans and Democrats together. This is how we sharpen the tools and ensure that we have investment and opportunities for good paying jobs right here in Michigan. So we're going to take that kind of energy into 2022. It is my hope that we will be able to move the needle even further and ensure that as we rebound from this once in a generation virus, that we have the kind of turnaround that we all need to see. So that's what I'll stay focused on. Elections will happen. That's on the horizon as well. But I'm going to stay focused on doing my job. We're writing the budget, getting ready for the state of the state, and plotting the next step we're going to take here in Michigan.
Governor Whitmer, thank you for joining us for 7 Up Front tonight. We'll continue the conversation in 2022.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Thank you, and to you.